What determines how we feel? How we age? Who gets sick? Who stays vibrant? We may be taking our supplements, working out, but is what's right for one of us also right for all of us? What do our unique set of genes say about our ability to ward off disease? Why are some people more vulnerable to illness, while others thrive throughout their lives? These are just a few things that tell us about our biology. But I bet your doctor isn't looking at these factors at your annual physical. Introducing TACK180, a dynamic set of diagnostic tools created by leading integrative physician Miles Spar, MD. Designed to understand your biology beyond your average blood test and the ideal medications, supplements, food, sleep, exercise, and lifestyle that will not only impact your lifespan, but alter the way you live your life and how you feel today.
We test for specific biomarkers that determine risk factors that could define the rest of your life. We are on the leading edge of science. While our genes can tell you what you're at risk for, we ask patients what matters to them, not what's the matter with them, because we want you to be busy living your life, not worrying about your health.
Stop wondering what to do, what trend to follow, and what to avoid. The right testing, coupled with expert interpretation, can give you the answers. Do what you love. Be with the ones you love. Live your life's purpose. You can live in a state of resistance or in a state of resilience. Let us help.